Good morning, dear friends. Welcome back to another episode on Shobha's Food Mazaa. Today's recipe is a breakfast dish which is popular not only in South India but also Maharashtra. In Andhra, it's known as Ponganalu, and Tamilnadu they call them Paniyaram, and in Maharashtra we call the same dish Appe. Every region it's made with a slight variation. The best part is you can even make use of your leftover Idli Dosa batter to make these Ponganalu. You can serve them for breakfast with any chutney of your choice, or even it makes a great tea time snack. You can also pack them in children's lunch box. They love it because they are small bite-sized marble-like snacks. So, shall we proceed to make Ponganalu?
Appe, Ponganalu or Paniyaram. This is a quick breakfast dish that you can make from the leftover idli or dosa batter. I have taken 1.5 cups of dosa batter and finely chopped onions, quarter cup, coriander leaves handful, finely chopped, few curry leaves chopped, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, Asafoetida 1 or 2 pinches, green chillies 1 or 2 finely chopped, baking soda 1 pinch, salt to taste, and oil as needed. Ingredients list also is available in the description box. Now heat little oil in a pan, about 1 tablespoon. Add the mustard seeds and Asafoetida. Let them crackle. Stir them so that the Asafoetida flavors get into the oil. Now add the chopped curry leaves, onion and green chilies. Saute them. Maintain medium flames and add little salt. Remember, there is already salt in the dosa batter. Cover the lid and allow them to cook. Add some coriander leaves. You don't have to overcook the onion, just toss it a bit and let it cool. When it's completely cooled, only then you are going to stir this into the batter. Mix it, and then I'm going to also add little bit of salt, as dosa batter has less salt. 1 pinch of baking soda. Be very, very careful, tiny little bit. Give it a nice stir. Mix everything very well. The tempered batter is ready to make Ponganalu or Paniyaram. In Maharashtra they call them Appe. Grease the Paniyaram pan. Pour the batter up to the rim. Now reduce the flame, maintain medium flame and cover the lid. Let them cook for 1 minute. Keep adjusting the flame in between. You can reduce it to low so that they get cooked very well inside. If you cook it on high, they will remain undercooked. After 1 minute, open the lid and spoon some oil on the edges. This oil will seep in and allow the paniyarams to become nice and crispy. After about 30 seconds, you can open and flip the side. Now cover the lid and again cook for 30 seconds or until done. You can just check them. If they are done, it's fine. Otherwise, cook them little more. By pressing them, You can check if they are firm, that which means they are done. Now repeat with the remaining batter also the same way. From this quantity you will get about 12 paniyarams or Ponganalu. Wow, delicious bite-sized Ponganalu or Paniyaram are ready. Make and enjoy this quick and easy breakfast whenever you have leftover idli dosa batter. They pair very well with peanut chutney. The link is shared in the description box. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. Have a look at these videos from my collection. You might like them too. See you soon with another recipe. Bye.